Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform general form of a circle into its standard form. The general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus bx plus ey plus f equals 0. And its standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. So we have here an example: x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y minus 2 equals 0. So, in order to get the center and the radius, we must transform this equation into its standard form. So, the first thing we need to do is arrange the equation. So, we have here x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 6y, and the constant or the coefficient is you need to transpose it to the right side. And when transposing a coefficient or a constant, you need to change the sign. Example, here we have negative 2. When transposing it to the right side, it will become positive 2. Alright? And the next step, we're gonna use the method of completing the square. So we have here x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 6 plus equals. So the formula we're going to use here is the quantity of b over 2 squared. So we have here, this is 10x. So the b here is the coefficient of the variable x. So we have here 10 over 2 squared. 10 over 2 is 5 squared equals 25. So we have 25. So to balance the equation, if you add something in here, you also gonna add in the other side, in the right side. So we have here 25. So we're gonna repeat the method to the negative negative 6y. So the coefficient of the variable y is negative 6 over 2 squared. Negative 6 over 2 is negative 3 squared equals 9. So 9 plus 9. Since this is already a perfect square of trinomials, we can now rewrite this into square of binomials. So we're going to copy squared x and what we're going to do here is get the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. And copy the sign in the middle. Plus, repeat the same procedure to the y variable. So we have here, copy the square y, get the square root of 9, which is 3, copy the sign, negative, plus, simplify this. So we have 2 plus 25 is equals to 27 plus 9 equals 36.